Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shofiyah Fauziyah with name 232-60064. Okay, here I will explain approach to research. A research approach is a broader framework for the overall research plan and procedure, which includes philosophical assumption, strategies, and detailed steps in data collection, analysis, and interpretation. So, what are the approach to research it? First, there is the quantitative approach, which use numerical data, structural question, and statistical analysis. The goal is to produce conclusions that can be generalized. Second, the qualitative approach, which focus on the understanding of human experience. Data is collected through interview, observation, or documents, and the results are in the form of description or meanings, not number. Third, we have action research. This approach is usually conducted by practitioners such as teachers or workers, with the aim of improving real practice in the field. It is cyclical, consisting of planning, action, observation, and reflection, which are repeated for continuous improvement. Next, the case study approach. This type of research examines a specific case in depth, such as the application of a new method in class or changes in an organization. Its strength lies in uncovering details that surface may miss, but it has limitation in generalization. Therefore, what matters more is relatability, or how far the findings can be applied to similar situations. Then, next there is the survey. Surveys are used to gather information from a sample that represents the population. The result can reflect opinions, attitude, or social characteristics of a group. However, the challenge is ensuring the sample is truly representative. And another approach is experimental research. This involves experimental and control group to examine cause and effect relationship. For example, comparing students who learn with a new method and those who do not. While it can show causality, experiment requires time, cost, and large samples, and ethical issues must be carefully considered. And we also have ethnography. This approach studies cultures or groups in their everyday life through participant observation. The researcher becomes involved in activities to gain understanding from within. The challenges are the long time required and limited representativeness. Science research often focus on a single group. Next is grounded theory. Qualitative approach and developing theory from data. The theory is not predetermined but emerges gradually through data analysis, contents, comparison, and coding. This is an iterative process where theory evolves as the research progresses. And finally is narrative inquiry. This approach uses stories as the main data, whether from interviews, autobiographies, or life histories. Narrative allow both researchers and participants to share personal experience in them. Its strength lies in how stories are structured with a clear beginning, middle, and end to highlight meaningful times. That was the explanation and various approach to research. In conclusion, each research approach has its own purpose, strengths, and limitation. As researchers, we need to choose the most suitable approach according to the problem, context, and goals of our study. So, okay, thank you for your attention, and I'm so sorry, and I apologize if there are any mistake in my explanation. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.